how to change your YouTube banner on your iPhone. Now let's get started right away. So unfortunately you cannot do this in the YouTube app like you can do, or like you can change your profile picture. That's quite unfortunate, but for that we'll have to go to your browser, and from here on out search for YouTube, and then make sure you will end up right here. Now you want to open this in your browser instead of going to the app. To do that, what you want to do on iPhone is just long hold it and then click on open a new tab, and then as you can see, we have now opened it up in a new tab. Now as I can see right now, I'm actually not logged in, so I'll do that real quick. Now what you want to do is click on those two A's at the top left corner, then click on request the desktop website. And as you can see, we are now on the PC version. Now what you want to do is zoom in to your profile picture, then click on your channel. Once you are here, this kind of looks weird because this is the PC version, of course, but you want to click on the customize channel. Then instead of get the app, click on continue to studio, and then go to branding, and then right here it says banner image. You can either remove it or change it. Now I'm just going to change it, and then you can just take a photo, go to your photo library, or browse in your files. Now usually most people will probably just choose one from their photo library, but for this video I'm just going to take a quick photo because the process is basically the same, but I'm just going to do that real quick. So I'm just going to click on use this photo, and then click on done. And as you can see, we have now changed our banner. And if we go back to the YouTube app, then maybe it's already updated, but sometimes it takes a while before it will actually update. And as you can see, it's still not updated. So maybe when I open it up again, let's see. No, it's still not updated, but this might take a bit of time before your banner gets updated into the YouTube app as well. That's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.